If you are between 18 and 35 and feel like your bank balance disappears faster than you can earn it, you are not crazy. Your bank might be quietly taxing you with something called junk fees, overdraft fees, bounce payment fees, maintenance fees for doing absolutely nothing. As a member of the Advisory Council of the International Association of Certified Fraud Examiners, my work is literally to study how financial systems can quietly extract money from people. So let me show you exactly how banks do it and how you can legally opt out. In this year, overdraft fees at many big banks are still a multi-million dollar business, and some banks have actually seen those fee revenues jump again. At the same time, rules that were supposed to cap these fees and save people billions each year have been rolled back, or watered down. Translation: the system is not designed to protect you, you have to protect yourself. Let us break this down in plain language. What are you? What are junk fees? Regulators use this phrase for sneaky, often excessive charges like overdraft and non sufficient fund fees, surprise account maintenance or minimum balance fees, random add on charges tied to basic services in recent years. Consumer watchdogs showed that Americans were paying tens of billions of dollars a year in these kinds of bank fees, with overdraft alone costing households hundreds of dollars each. Some rules were passed to cap overdraft fees at around $5 at large banks, but political changes and legal pushback have slowed or reversed parts of that effort. Result: many young people are still getting hit with $25 to $35 fees on a single small transaction. Why does this hit 18 to 35-year-olds so hard? Because your generation banks differently. And banks know it. Gen Z and young millennials are more likely to live paycheck to paycheck, more likely to have irregular income from gigs, side hustles, and creator work, more likely to use mobile first apps and jump between institutions if they feel cheated. But here's the twist: many of the traditional banks that handle your direct deposit still rely heavily on overdraft and related fees, while new digital first new banks fight for you with lower or no fees. So if you are not paying attention, you might literally be paying a confusion tax every month. Let us talk about how to opt out of being their quiet revenue stream in this year. Step 1: turn off automatic overdraft protection. Most people do not realize this. Overdraft protection is often just an extremely expensive short term loan that you did not ask for. You can usually contact your bank and say, I want to opt out of overdraft for debit card and ATM transactions. That way, if you do not have enough money, the transaction is declined instead of approved with a $30 fee attached. Yes, being declined is embarrassing, but paying $30 for a $7 coffee is financially worse. Now, step number 2: move your everyday money to a low or no fee account. Many banks and new banks now advertise no monthly maintenance fees, no or very low overdraft fees, early direct deposit, built-in budgeting and alerts. Fintechs and online-only banks have been aggressively targeting Gen Z with mobile-first designs and fewer hidden charges. Set a calendar reminder this week. Open one backup no-fee checking account. Then slowly route your direct deposit, bills and subscriptions through the account that bleeds you the least. Now step 3: use alerts and automation like a hacker. You check Instagram, TikTok and YouTube multiple times a day. Your bank balance deserves at least a fraction of that attention. Turn on low balance alerts, upcoming bill alerts, large transaction alerts, then create automatic transfers. On payday, send a fixed amount to savings, send another slice to a separate bills only account. This way, your rent, utilities, and debt payments come from a stable pot of money instead of fighting with coffee, Ubers, and late night food. You are using the same psychology apps use on you, but in your favor. Now, step number 4: challenge every waived fee immediately. Banks hate charge-offs and complaints to regulators. They often quietly reverse fees for customers who call, stay calm, and ask directly. Try this script. Hi, I saw an overdraft tenants of maintenance fee on my account. I'm a loyal customer. This was a one-time mistake and I would like to request a courtesy refund. If they say no, escalate. If there is a supervisor who can review this, I'm deciding whether to keep banking there based on how this is handled. You will not win every time, but over a year, this can save you hundreds. Now, step 5. Stop letting your bank design your financial life. Banks are businesses. Their job is to increase profits. Your job is to minimize unavoidable fees, maximize transparency, use competition between banks to your advantage. Gen Z and millennials have enormous collective power because you are willing to switch providers when treated badly. If enough of you walk away from fee traps, banks will change faster than any regulation. If this video woke you up to how much your bank might be taking from you, hit subscribe. Drop not your cash cow in the comments and share this with one friend who keeps getting overdraft emails. You do not control interest rates, you do not control politics, but you do control where you bank, what you accept, and whether your money was for you or for them. Was for you or for them. Decide. Thank you.